Okay, the next thing we're going to do is build the seat. Now the seat is a little bit of adjustable depending on how tall you are. So the seat is going to be these two boards, the two longest boards left in your kit. You see one's a little longer than the other. So the long board is going to go towards the back of the cart. The shorter board is going to go towards the front of the cart. And again, pick the best looking side of the board and you want to put that up because that's where you're going to be sitting on. There's a bunch of other small boards in the kit. You need to get those out. Okay. So you've got 3 short boards that are all the same length. They're actually going to be your backrest. And then you have a board with a bunch of holes drilled in it. Let's see, so this is the bottom. So you've got 2 on the bottom, 1, 2, and 1. So this is going to be the actual back of the seat that we're going to screw these into. And then there's one more board that's drilled a couple funky ways, and that's going to help hold the seat up in place. So the first thing we do is we're going to build your backrest. So you can see where you've got the holes drilled here. The 2 at the bottom are going to be to mount into the back of the seat, so you don't want to cover those up. But you will want to align these 3 boards so that you can catch 1 screw in the top board, 2 in the middle, and then 1 like that. Now line these all up and put it together like that, and that will be the back of your seat. And you want to make sure that these bottom 2 screws are sticking out. So when you put it together, that's actually what it's going to look like. We need some of the long screws to put this together. 1, 2, 3, 4 to start with. 4 long screws. Make sure everything's lined up nice and even. Alright, so I'm going to put the top screw in, and then the bottom, the single screw to hold the bottom board in, and then I'm going to screw in the 2 middle, or screws in the middle board. There's your seat back. All right, let's turn this cart sideways a little bit. So you've got your seat base here, and your backrest is going to go up here, something like that. In your kit, you're going to find 2 small boards like this. These are going to be the foot pegs. So what you can do is you can kind of position these foot pegs down near the front of the cart. Then you can sit on the bench, on the seat where it's going to be, and you can kind of position it. Okay, I'm a little taller, I'm going to have to move the seat back, I'm going to have to move these pegs a little bit forward. So if you're taller or shorter, you can adjust these parts so that the cart fits you well. So since I want to try to ride this at the end, what I'm going to do is make it almost as big as I can. So I'm going to put these foot pegs right down close to the very end. I'm going to kind of line them up with the front edge of your front board there, so they're almost just like that. I'm going to take 2 or 4 of the long screws, and I'm going to screw my foot pegs into place. You want to be careful with this because this is a thin piece of wood. You don't want to drive the screw down into it real hard because you might split the foot peg. So just snug it up good. Okay, that's good. Now again, I'm going to try and make this so I can ride it at the end. So I want to move the seat back about as far as I can. So if you center the 2 boards like this, you know, you got a little, the one board's a little longer, make sure it's even on both ends. And I want to slide it back to a point where I can see that I can still get the screws into the wood. So that's about as far back as I can make the seat. So I'm going to put that right there. Need a bunch more screws. First I'm going to set the first board. So I'm going to take 2 screws. Put one in on this end. Okay. All right. Looks like the board wants to twist a little bit. That's okay. All right, set the other screw. All right, now I'm going to bring the other seat board right up close to it, nice and snug. Again, I'm going to pop 2 screws in there to hold that in place. Now I'm going to put the remaining screws in to hold the seat and help keep the frame a little bit more rigid. Now I'm going to build the seat back. So what I want to do is I want to put 2 screws into this board, but I'm not going to set them. I'm just going to put them, get them ready. For that I'm going to use a hand screwdriver again too. And I'm going to screw these in until I can feel them just poking out the other side. Oh, there's that one. Now the support is drilled on both ends. There's, where are we? Okay. So you have 2 holes that are going up through and coming out the top. And you have 2 holes that are going through the back and kind of, well, this one came out the bottom, this one came out the corner. These 2 screws go in the top. The ones that are going to go in at an angle, they're going to hold up the top of the seat. And then the ones that are going down through the board are going to screw into the bottom of the frame and hold the seat up that way. So here also I want to get some screws ready in the board. And again, you just screw them in until you can feel the metal tips just poking out through, and you can see them, they're just little, just so we can touch the wood and know where we are. And you don't have to then screw all the way through the board. Go through the wood a little bit further, so they're take a little further to get into. Where is it? Okay, so now this is ready to be screwed in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to center the backrest on my seat. You can measure it, you can eyeball it. I'm just going to eyeball it, looks pretty good. I'm going to put these 2 screws in. Okay. I'm going to take my support piece, make sure I've got it the right way. So the support piece, you want this whole edge to be on the 2x4. So this back edge is going to go on the inside edge of the 2x4s. Like that. And then the top is just going to screw in to the back of the support. So if I screw these in, and then do the top of the seat. Now that you've got the cart built, the last step is to finish putting the axles on and then the last few pieces.